नमस्कार सभी को, आशा किरण चैनल पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द क्विज ऑफ निष्ठा 3.0 मॉड्यूल 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू एफएलएन मिशन। इस वीडियो में हम निष्ठा 3.0 मॉड्यूल 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू एफएलएन मिशन की क्विज सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और सब्सक्राइब की राइट साइड में जो बेल आइकन है उसको भी प्रेस कर देंगे ताकि मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल सके। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टेट्स एंड यूटीज हैव अ क्रिटिकल रोल टू प्ले टू अचीव द गोल ऑफ एफएलएन इन अ डैश मोड, पैरेलल, मिशन, डायरेक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट। करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, मिशन मोड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, NEP has set a deadline of dash to achieve FLN 2035, 2030, 2025, 2022. Correct answer is C, 2025. Next question. Preschool education ensures a dash from preschool to early primary classes, leading to better performance and better retention rates. Options are shift, smooth transition, jerk, way. Correct answer is smooth transition. Next question. In the government, ECC is mainly provided through integrated child development services centers known as crèche, child care centers, preschool centers, Anganwadis. Correct answer is D, Anganwadis. Next question. Building adequate literacy and numeracy skills during the foundational stage of school education is the objective of civil societies, foundational literacy numeracy mission, NGOs, Samagra Shiksha. Correct answer is B, foundational literacy numeracy mission. Next question. FLN mission is a national initiative for proficiency in dash reading and with understanding and numeracy, creative and aesthetic skills, computational skills, environmental concepts. Correct answer is A, reading with understanding and numeracy. Next question. NCERT will be providing dash to states and UTs in the fulfillment of FLN mission objectives: manual, academic, sport, budget, kit. Correct answer is academic, sport. Next question. In NEP 2020, it is envisaged that prior to the age of 5, every child will move to a preparatory class or Balvatika which has an ECCE qualified teacher. Balvatika is a class before class 4, class before class 1, class before class 2, class before class 3. Correct answer is B, class before class 1. Next question. ECCE is a period from 2 to 6 years of age, 6 to 8 years of age, 3 to 8 years of age, birth to 8 years of age. Correct answer is D, birth to 8 years of age. Next question. The vision of the FLN mission is to create an enabling environment in all aspects to ensure that dash in primary classes by 2025 so that every child achieves the desired learning competencies in reading, writing and numeracy at the end of class 3rd and not later than class 5. Goals of education, universal acquisition of FLN, targets of education, education. Correct answer is B, universal acquisition of FLN. Next question. Target 4.0 of the SDG aims to ensure that all girls and boys, including those belonging to disadvantaged groups and with disability health conditions, have access to quality care and pre-primary education by 2030 so that they are ready for primary education. Options are care and stimulation, early childhood development, child development, education. Correct answer is B, early childhood development. Next question. The Department of School Education will provide dash to teachers in the achievement of learning outcome quality for school student engagement, retention and academic achievement for classes 1 to 5. Options are teaching material, academic support, work, books, budget. Correct answer is academic support. Next question. Foundational literacy and numeracy refers to building adequate dash during the foundational stage of school education. music and movement skills, listening and speaking skills, drawing and coloring skills, literacy and numeracy skill. Correct answer is D, literacy and numeracy skills. Next question. The National Education Policy 2020 highlights that a large proportion of students currently in elementary level, estimated to be over 5 crore, have not achieved FLN. Agree, disagree, not known, agree and steps should be taken to build FLN. Correct answer is D. Agree and steps should be taken to build FLN. Next question. The full form of ECCE is Early Care Education for Children, Early Childhood Care and Education, Early Child Care and Education, Early Child Development and Education. Correct answer is B, Early Childhood Care and Education. Next question. FLN mission is a state initiative, public initiative, national initiative, school initiative. Correct answer is national initiative. Next question. Early years are critical in any child's lifespan since the dash is more rapid than at any other stage of development. Rate of life, rate of growth, rate of speed, rate of development. Correct answer is D, rate of development. Next question. Efforts will be made to dash government primary school teachers and develop material like e-content including lesson plans, use of innovative pedagogies, etc. to support teachers teaching at the primary level. Mentor, monitor, evaluate, finance. Correct answer is mentor. Next question. The ability to dash and perform basic operations with numbers is a necessary foundation and is an indispensable prerequisite for all future schooling and lifelong learning. NEP 2020. Write only, speak only, read and write, show emotions. Correct answer is C, read and write. Next question. The ECCE training of Anganwadi worker teachers will be dashed by the Cluster Resource Center of the School Education Department. Mentored, evaluated, coached, conducted. Correct answer is mentored. Next question. In this way we have completed all the 20 questions. And the score is 20 out of 20. आई होप कि सभी को ने ये क्वेश्चंस कर लिए होंगे. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो आप वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना भी ना भूलें. थैंक यू टू ऑल.